Hey guys, welcome to Revolution Chiropractic. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the office. So this is our sign-in station. When you become a patient, you'll be given a Revolution card. It's got a barcode on the back. So each time you come in for your visits, they'll come straight to the computer, swipe your card here, and this will check you into the system. Let the whole team know that you're here. After that, you will have a seat, and then we'll call you back to one of the rooms when one's available. This is our pregnant moms, infants, and children's wall. So we are a large family referral-based office, and we do specialize in pregnant women for that #1 complaint of low back pain during pregnancy. So research has actually shown us that women under consistent chiropractic care before and also during their pregnancies can see a decrease in labor pains and delivery times. And then we know delivery can also be hard on baby too, so we really like to get them checked within the first few weeks of birth as well. And then as you see up here, we have kids of all ages in our office that suffer from things such as allergies, asthma, ear infections, colic as a newborn, all the way up to ADD, ADHD, and autism. This is our testimonial wall. So we have seen a large number of success stories here in our office with people getting under consistent chiropractic care. Everything from getting rid of just those basic aches and pains all the way to getting off of prescription medications. This patient here originally started coming into our office really wanting relief from just low back pain and hip pain, and we found out he was also taking 9 different prescription medications. So after we got him under consistent chiropractic care here with us, he's now able to take 0 of those. This is our ministry wall. So we are partnered with a group called Connect Global, and their mission is to reach the unreached. So through donations, they're able to build these ponds that house tilapia, and that's used to help feed entire communities abroad. So when you come into the office, it's really a double blessing. So we're able to serve our community here, but also help some of those out abroad as well. This is our first specific scientific adjusting room. Again, when you become a patient, you'll be given your Revolution card. You'll swipe it a total of 2 times each visit, once in the front and then a second time in the room. So you'll come straight to the computer, swipe your card here. This will check you into the room and then let the doctors know what room you've been sent to. After that, you'll empty your pockets, remove glasses, coat, or jacket on. Then you will grab a face paper. You'll lie face down with your feet at that end, and then one of the doctors comes in just a couple minutes after that. This is our second room, the room that we typically use for pregnant moms and families. It's got a little bit more room in it. And this is our third room. So like we showed you in room 1, each of these 3 rooms all have the same computer in there. So you're able to swipe in and check into each room. This is our postural specific x-ray suite. We do like to be very specific in our office, and so at any point, if the doctors feel they need to take a better look at the structure of the spine, this is where we're able to do images for that. This right here is our chiropractic history wall. Many people don't know that chiropractic started over 120 years ago by this gentleman, Dr. D.D. Palmer. He met this gentleman, Harvey Lillard, who worked in his office building, and found out that Lillard had been suffering from a hearing loss. It had been that way for about 17 years. So Dr. D.D., being very interested in the body and how it could heal itself naturally, he knew that he could help him out. So he gave him that very first chiropractic adjustment, and he was able to regain quite a bit of hearing after that. And so since then, chiropractic has grown into the largest drugless healthcare profession in the world. This is our neurological assessment and evaluation room. This is where we will be using some of our state-of-the-art technology to get an exact assessment of the nervous system to see exactly what is going on.